Sundowns get cheat code for it.
They should see the love that we have.
Is the Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, we're back again, Dimza Sport Entertainment, we're back. Loftus Versal Stadium. Mamino Sanders 4-1, the Chili Boys. Goed man, hamba no one la.
Hombano Styles from Rustenburg, Marikana branch.
Sure.
In the life of Masandawana.
Sure.
I like to greet all Masandawana Lapa. Who's a slaughterhouse.
Sure.
Lapa.
Yeah.
I got it, Masandawana.
Yeah.
I like this game. Cause I've told someone there we're gonna win 4-1. That goals, I like the goals, I like the game. The boys played it very well. Cause we want the league to win. The league is ours, it's not for the Reds. Where do you see the Reds take the league? That's the big question. Where? It's not the one I'm a champion, Baba. We start from Americana branch. He's not the one that cool. Iliki say Tata, do it or die. I'm a Reds my pants. Iliki today, we are number 1. It's Easter Day. We celebrating for Masandawana.
Good man. Yeah, man, I can see the way you're talking, the way you love Mamelodi Sundowns. But his motivation, I'm trying to good card also gave to the players and say, Buffett, let's go all out and take that 3 points.
Okadoso today, Ubege scheme is grand. He was playing there for the win, playing there for 3 points, playing there for the win the league. You tell them scheme let's say as Fagile today.
Sure.
He didn't use the cheaper boys. Today he put a winning team. I like the Cardoso playing. Because Cardoso want to win the league and have Champions League. Bring Dr. House. Turn to Cardoso in the name of Christ, in the name of Santa Wana. Yes, Kabuyelo. I like it.
Hormane, thank you for great analysis. Thank you for being here. Thank you for visiting us for entertainment.
Thank you.
Danko.